Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a face appy game. I cannot load my camera because there's a camera going on in this thing. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial how to make it. So the first thing you guys need is just go to an extension and then find face appy. Wait, let me find it. Okay, if you guys want the link to common coding, I'll put it on the description. What is the extension? Okay, for the first thing you guys need to do is just go to events and when green flag clicked, and then paste the tag on, and then forever. If then paste the tag on, right? Okay, and then controls forever. If then okay, oh my god, wrong. Where's go here, and then there's 4 if then. So yeah, let's just do this. Oh, I don't know. Of commands. Okay, there's 4, right? Yes, there's 4. Yeah, you guys need to remove. Oh, I forgot. Okay, you guys need to load in. You guys need to at least find 4. I mean 3 image like happy. There is happy emote. Make it PNG. Remove the background. Okay, this is the happy one. And then let's find neutral. Neutral. Yes, neutral emote. And then mad. Angry. Okay, this angry. Wait, did I put angry in here? No, I just put. Never mind. Let's just still do it. And then after this, I'm gonna go put in like sad. Maybe yeah, let's put in sad. Okay, there it is. So costume. Oh, I think you guys need to just put outfit in here. Oh, I think I got an idea. Oh my god, no. Let's delete all of this block first, and then complete this one, and then we duplicate it. Get first. Oh, go to operators, and then this one. Yeah, I think. Yeah, that one. Okay, and then go to here. Okay, get first. Right, I forgot. Yes, 0.85, and then sad. Switch costume to sad emote. Duplicate it 4 times. No. Bruh. My god, it's laggy. Oh, no. Oh, bruh. Okay, sorry guys for the something. Anyways, you guys just need to duplicate it until 4 of these things, and then just do like I did like last time. My god, bruh. Okay, and let's just remove this one. Then yeah, get first face to happy, like switch costumes. The first one I did was sad, like same as this. Just do it like change it to like happy and then switch costume to happy. That also sorry for the thing that happened there. Anyways, I guess thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. You guys can try what you guys did. I mean, after you guys did all of it. So yeah, I hope you guys find this video good or like entertaining or really informational. So yeah, goodbye.